Okay, today we are going to make a money transfer from Payoneer account to our bank account. So if you want to learn that, keep watching this video. Coming up, at first we need to go to our computer screen, or you can also do it by using your mobile phone or your mobile apps from Payoneer. Just we are going to sign in button and putting our email address and password integrated to our Payoneer account. Okay, so after putting our email address and password correctly, we are going to sign in on the Payoneer dashboard. Okay, here you can see on our balance, we have 191.55 USD on our Payoneer account, which we are going to transfer now to our bank account directly. So for that, we are going to withdraw and convert section from this left corner. Just click on there and just withdraw to bank account. Click over here. After clicking here, you can see your account balance, withdraw from USD balance, Euro balance or GBP balance. Whatever you are going to transfer, make sure you have the balance on that account. Like we have 191.55 US dollars in our USD balance account. Okay, so we are selecting USD balance and going next. After going to the next section, you can see here our verified bank accounts from Payoneer.com, which we have already selected or added to our Payoneer dashboard. If you want to know how you can get connected to your bank account to your Payoneer account, then please do comment below. Then I will make a new video about that. Okay, so after that we just need to select our bank account, like Eastern Bank Limited from our end. Selected our bank account, then next. After that, you have to put your balance here. By the way, if you don't have Payoneer account, you can create a Payoneer new account using our link in the description down below. If you create a Payoneer account through our links, then you can get a $35 bonus if you transaction very well using Payoneer. Okay, don't forget to create your Payoneer account. If you're a freelancer, content creator, or whatever your business doing international transactions, then you need a Payoneer account. Go check it out, our video description links to create your Payoneer account. Okay, so now we are just putting our balance. Just we are taking a transfer 191.55 USD, exactly that what we have now in our Payoneer account, which is transferring to our Bangladeshi bank account, deposited to Eastern Bank Limited, which currencies will exchange rate 1 USD equal to 118.12 cent BDT. Okay, includes Payoneer conversion fee. So that is the amount you will getting in your bank account in Bangladesh, right? 22,627 taka 71 paisa. Okay, so now we are just going to transfer. Funds should arrive today. Okay, transfer sent late in the day or processed on the weekends and public holidays may be delayed. If you have any kind of public holidays or weekends, then it can be delayed, but most of the time you should get the payment by the day, which day you are just going to transfer your money. Okay, then we are going to the next button. After coming here, you can add a transaction details, write what kind of transaction it is. We just wrote here Wondershare 5 video description, link placement, brand collaboration. Okay, this description will appear in your transaction page. So I will recommend you, please try to keep your all kind of descriptions or details about the transactions. It will help you to understand on your bank statement what about this payment was. Okay, so now we are going to the next button, and now you can check your final review. You can just click here to the withdraw button. So after clicking on the withdraw button, you can see here our Payoneer mobile app need to be approved this action. If you have your active Payoneer app on your mobile phone, then you will get this kind of approve this action pop-up notification to your phone to approve your transaction. Withdraw from your Payoneer account to your bank account. I need to approve this one if I want to complete this transaction. Okay, I'm going to approve this one. Okay, it has been completed. You withdraw 191.55 USD and our transaction ID is this, and we will deposit 22,627 and 71 paisa BDT to Eastern Bank Limited. Funds should be arrived today. Okay, so now you can check your bank account and we are going to the OK button. Now we are going to the home page. You can see now your USD balance is 0. That means our transaction has been done. Okay, this was the system how you can transfer money from your Payoneer to your bank account. If this video sounds helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share the video. See you on the next one. Bye bye.